So we're here in Staplehurst in Kent, along with Richard Hawkes. Richard's an architect, and Richard has built this astonishing house over here. Tell us about your house, Richard.
Well, I mean, as you can hear, it's very quiet out here.
It's a stunning piece of countryside.
In the open Kent countryside, and it's a plot that we kind of had our eye on for years.
So that was the plan, was to build yourself a zero-carbon house then?
I wanted the house to have low running costs because, you know, we wanted to, move out of working in London and have a more sustainable lifestyle generally, really.
So the impact on the land is quite low then?
Yeah, I mean, the idea was now that we've finished building the building, we want nature to come in and over the top of us, quite literally, you know, with the big shaggy meadow roof.
Shaggy meadow roof?
Yeah, well, it's not going to be a maintained, immaculate lawn.
Okay.
It's going to just, you know, what's going to grow up there, I don't know. It's whatever gets blown onto it, whatever decides to grow that's in the dormant soil. Shall we go in?
Yep. So this is where your meadow is going to be?
Yes, yeah. I mean, basically, I want that roof to kind of look like this bank.
Yeah.
There's 4 layers of tiles here, but these 3 are doing the structural job. And the reason why it's going diagonally is to encourage the rain as it falls down to go towards the plant, to go towards the green section, rather than coming off the edge. Come in.
So you have the beautiful arch coming across, but you've also kind of echoed it with a staircase going through at a really weird angle.
Yeah, there's no steel work in it, it's just clay tiles stuck together, as before.
And the floor?
Well, it's crushed glass bottles, but a variety of all different colour glasses. Crushed. By having the dining room feeling nice and open to the rest of the house, it encourages us to use the dining room more often. So it becomes a very familiar place.
Yeah, modern life we seem to have lost that kind of community touch.
Yeah.
That feel of actually eating together.
Yeah. Then you come through to the lounge.
Fantastic.
You don't mind being stuck indoors on a winter's day if you can come and sit in a space like this. Although we've got the heat recovery ventilation system and it's airtight and all that, on a day like today we've got so much heat around. I haven't got to worry about the house getting too cold tonight.
So we have the hub of the house, which is your kitchen.
It's all been made from sustainably sourced timbers. This is all European oak. Because we're generating our electricity and we don't have gas here, we're cooking on induction.
Okay. And is that so it's a far more efficient way to heat, so it uses a lot less electricity?
It uses a lot less. It uses about, well, I'm told, half the energy of a ceramic hob.
Right. It's a very low impact home, incredibly low impact home.
It's a great space, contemporary, and also generates all its own energy and uses local materials and waste materials and this, that and the other. So I think hopefully it just sort of raises the bar on design and associates good quality design with low energy and low impact.
And becomes a great kind of template.
Yeah.
You've got quite an open plan feel here.
Yeah. This is actually a guest bedroom. When the guests are around, you just pull that.
Wow.
Toilets are being flushed with rainwater.
Oh, are they?
Washing
Right.
machines running off rainwater.
Do you collect that from the arch?
Yeah,
or?
from the flat roof, from the
Oh, from the
carport
flat
area
roof, right.
and the flat roof above us here. All the wastewater goes into a cesspit and we've got our own water treatment plant. So 100% of our wastewater is treated on site.
The master bedroom's got quite an interesting feature in it.
Yeah, we've got an open plan, or sort of half open plan ensuite bathroom going on. But when you're out in that part of the room where you are, you don't actually see any of that. So you're out here and it doesn't feel like a bathroom. In this room, underneath the plasterboard, we've got 5mm thick paraffin wax thermal mass board. During the day when it's getting very hot, the paraffin wax is absorbing that heat to help maintain a cooler temperature. Then at night, it helps to stabilise the temperature
inside
again. Yes, notice this is the top of the house. The clay tiled arch is thermal mass.
Right.
So basically the hot air is rising and it's getting soaked up into that arch.
Right.
But also we've got an extract grill as part of the heat recovery system.
It rises to the top and gets pumped back round to the bottom.
Back round to the bottom. So these are photovoltaic thermal panels.
Photovoltaic thermal panels, okay.
When the sun's out, we're trying to grab as much of that sun energy as we can. We're turning it into electricity. We're also taking all the heat from it and storing that.
Okay.
And then that provides our hot water, and we store it also to, if we need to, put any top-up heat into the air system.
And nice to have your own vegetable patch as well.
It's brilliant, yeah, it's great. So they're all kind of food, from food, like mango chutney vessels. Link them together so that the rain comes into one and it fills up.
So you catch it off the roof of the shed and then it fills up all three of them. Very good.
So
all of your irrigation needs for the garden
rainwater as well,
rainwater,
which is much better for the plants.
You do get this stunning feeling of being right in the middle of nature, but then you've captured everything else in your house as well. You have it completely sort of eco, it's carbon neutral, it's beautiful, it's warm, it's embracing, it's just a fantastic way to live. I want to live in it. Richard, thank you very much. Cheers.